In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload an image to Gemini. Whether you want a quick description of a photo or insights about what it contains, you'll be able to do it in just a few clicks. Start by heading to gemini.google.com and signing in. You'll use your standard Google account. If the page asks you to confirm permissions or continue, go ahead and do that so you land on the main chat interface. Give the page a moment to load, and make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection for a smooth upload. Once you're in the chat box, look for the small plus icon right next to where you type your prompt. This icon is your entry point for adding content. Click it, and a menu will appear with options. Choose Files or Upload Files. This opens your computer's file picker. Navigate to the folder where your image is stored, click the image you want to use, and confirm your selection. If you have multiple images you want to include at once, you can select up to 10 in a single prompt. That's helpful if you're comparing photos or you want a broader summary across several images. You'll see the image begin to attach. Wait until the thumbnail or file indicator shows that the upload is complete. If your connection is a bit slow, give it an extra moment. If something seems stuck, reselect the file and try again. After the image is attached, pair it with a clear question in the message box and send it. You can keep it simple, like, "What's in this image?" or "Summarize what this picture shows." If you have a specific goal, be direct. For example, describe the main objects and any text in this image, or explain the setting and the key details. The clearer your question, the better the response you'll get. Once Gemini replies, you can follow up naturally without re-uploading, asking for more detail or a different angle, such as focusing on colors, text, or layout. A few quick tips as you work. Choose well-lit, in-focus images for the best results. Avoid uploading anything that contains personal or sensitive information. And remember that you can attach several images to give Gemini more context in a single prompt. If the plus icon isn't visible right away, try resizing your browser or refreshing the page. That's it. Go to gemini.google.com, click the plus icon, upload your image or images, and send your question. With these steps, you'll be ready to get useful, visual insights from Gemini in no time.